Recognizing and identifying types of crime involving information systems is important to making those systems secure. While cybercrime might be somewhat new, crime in and of itself is not new at all. In general, crime or criminal acts can be summarized by referring to them as acts of fraud, at least with respect to information systems. Acts of fraud can be summarized in the context of cybercrime in several different ways. Perhaps the most common way is tricking someone, a victim, into sending money to a person or organization they did not intend. Another type of cybercrime could involve selling stolen or fraudulently acquired goods online, or it could be cyber extortion or even inappropriate use of a computer, such as using it to view pornography. Regardless of the type of cybercrime, there are two main categories of the participation of computing devices in the crime. In the first case, the computer is a tool of the crime, and in the second, the computer is a target of the crime. In reality, many cybercrimes fall into both categories, where the computer or computing device is both used to carry out the crime and is also the target or the victim. An example of this type of cybercrime would be a distributed denial of service attack, often denoted by DDoS. In a distributed denial of service attack, an attacker would use many computers or computing devices, such as IoT devices, to launch a storm of internet traffic intended to take down its victim. Not all cyber criminals are the same or have the same motivations. There are casual attackers with very few skills, often called script kiddies, who simply download and launch attacks that someone else wrote. There are more determined attackers who are motivated by money, revenge, or perhaps just notoriety. A fairly new class of hackers are hacker activists, or just called hacktivists. Hacktivists carry out cybercrime to make a political point, such as interfering with the navigation of a fishing vessel with which the environmental or animal rights activist group disagrees. And perhaps the most dangerous type of cybercriminal is the nation-state actor. Nation-state actors are very sophisticated and well-funded cybercriminals who work for nations and engage in cyber espionage, cyber terrorism, and cyber warfare. Due to their level of skills, training, and funding, nation-state actors often pose the greatest risk to security professionals.